Well, Utah, your endemic species is the Utah prairie dog. These little guys are the smallest of the prairie dog species and are also the westernmost prairie dog species, only being found in a little tiny chunk of Utah. Now, you would think being a rodent, it would be pretty easy for the population to remain stable, but that's not true. Prairie dogs, they only have 1 hour out of the entire year where they're actually able to breed. And if everything actually works out, they have 3 to 8 pups, and then half of them end up dying anyway. On top of the fact that these guys are also affected by the bubonic plague. Hopefully these guys can make a little rebound because they're needed for the environment. The black-footed ferret eats them, and so without them, well, there's no ferret either.